How to register for Halifax Bank account online or online banking. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can open Halifax Bank online account or how you can register for online banking of Halifax Bank. Now first things first, you want to simply head into your browser on your device and you want to search in for Halifax online banking. Once you do so, here you can see Halifax popping up and you can see the sign into online banking, the very first link. You want to simply tap on the very first link that says sign into online banking, and here you want to simply tap on sign in now option. Once you tap on it, here it will take you to the account registration page. Now here first you want to log into your account, your bank account, that is, you want to simply tap in your username and your password and then simply tap on continue, and here down below you can see register for internet banking option. Simply tap on it and it will take you to the registration page here. Now it will only take a few minutes to set up. You can register with a current or savings account, loan, mortgage, credit card, saving, dealing account. So you'll either need to have current or savings account here, or loan or mortgage or credit card or saving account, and simply tap on register here, and you'll be able to enter in your first name, your last name, enter in your email and confirm your email, and then enter in your postcode and choose the account type that you have of the Halifax Bank. And then simply down below you want to enter in those particular details and tap on I agree and simply tap on continue, and you'll be registered. So this way you can easily register for Halifax Bank online banking registration. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.